Ngayon pong buwan ng Nobyembre, bukod po sa paggunita sa pagpanaw ng ating mga mahal sa buhay, maaari ring gunitain ito sa pamamagitan ng panunood ng mga Filipino horror films. Mula po October 29 hanggang November 4, mapapanood sa mga sinihan ng 4 na horror films kabilang na ang Bakaw, Sigaw, Tiyanak at Hukluban. Inihahandog ito ng Film Development Council of the Philippines at ang mga batikang horror directors sa bansa. Bukod umano sa love stories, maiging manood rin ng mga horror film para mapagyaman ang lahat ng genre ng pelikula.
The mainstream production has mainly been focused usually on love stories that have been culled from TV series. No? So what we want to do now is to encourage the other storytellers to come up. And we actually initially worked on getting the independent films because there are a lot of them. No? But unfortunately, most of their stories do not relate with, because they are more niche market films. No? Like it's for a specific market. Hindi yung what everybody wants to see, no? Yung common tao. So this one, we understood that genre, yung horror, action, comedy, yung sci-fi, dito yung may appeal sa, common appeal sa lahat. No?